So we are currently in a basement in Lithuania, in the capital Vilnius. There have been security alerts which have been sounded. Apparently, there are drones which have been spotted by the army, and people have been asked to go underground. So the entire staff in this building that we were are currently now underground. You can see the sirens and the people in the basement. So till the time there is evacuation and clarity, we would be staying put here in this underground situation. So the entire area, as you know, Lithuania, Estonia, Latvia, they were part of the earlier the Soviet Union, and then later after 1990, they had disintegrated. In the current war situation with Ukraine, these are the countries which are considered most vulnerable, and which is why whenever there are such drone activities in the air and around this area, you see people evacuating very fast.
So the same we prepare for
Lithuania is part of the NATO countries, one of the youngest NATO partners. Because of the situation that has evolved in Ukraine and Russia, the country, which is of a very small size and a population of 2.5 million, even the country like this is now starting to invest hugely in the defense sector. So currently, they have increased their annual investment percentage with GDP investments on defense to around 4.5 to 5%, up from 1.5, 2% that they earlier used to invest. This has completely changed the Ukraine war and the developments in West Asia, the way we have seen the world, or the equilibrium which one had achieved post the Second World War in the last 65 years. These are the visuals or the situations that we are encountering now are pretty common in Central and some of these Eastern European countries currently. The way the drone attacks have been going on from both sides of the border, and Ukraine being the center of this entire conflict that it has evolved since 2022.